Good morning, March 5th. In today's Crafting Clarity category, we are talking about how to stop being a hostage to our own to-do lists. Our message of the day is: leave mechanical planning to the evening and morning magic to the heart. Prepare your lists the night before, so your mind wakes up free for what matters most, your inner voice. Did you know that morning is the most yet powerful time for our intuition? Upon waking, we are in a state called Hypnopompia. This is that brief transition between sleep and wakefulness, a time when the subconscious provides its best answers. To avoid wasting this treasure on triviality like what to wear, what to buy, or where to start work, we clear this resource in advance. By doing so, we remove unnecessary cognitive load and wake up ready to enter the state of I feel how to do this. This isn't just about productivity. It's deep respect to our brain's natural rhythms. How does it work? We leave all the mechanical work to the evening. When we plan the next day before sleep, our brain digests these tasks overnight. We wake up not with chaos in our heads, but with a clear road map. But here is the secret. By freeing our morning from planning, we open the door to our inner voice. The first 30 minutes after waking is when we are most open to insights. This is when the best ideas, answers to difficult questions, and that true inspiration arrive. the kind you cannot summon by sheer willpower. Try this today. Tonight, write down all your mechanical tasks on paper. Tomorrow morning, just be in the silence. Listen to what your heart whispers before your mind is occupied. List. Protect your morning space. It is sacred. I believe in each of you. The Crafting Clarity by Advance Embrace.